In this video, let me show you how to fix TikTok stitch not working. So if you're having stitching other people's videos or other users' videos, this simply could mean that the user has disabled this feature. So whenever you tap and hold and head over to see if the stitch is available and you're not being able to see the option of stitch, that simply means that the other user has disabled this option. So even if you head over to your own post or video that you've added in, head over to the three dotted line. And if you swipe left, head over to privacy settings. This is the exact option the other person needs to turn on. So if they have toggled this option off, right here it says stitch, this option needs to be toggled on. So in this situation, you would not be able to stitch the particular video that you are watching. Now, if you know that other people are currently stitching the video and the option is not available for you only, in this situation, what you can simply do is reinstall the TikTok application. This is likely due to app bugs or app glitches. So once you download the latest version or reinstall the application, this issue should be automatically solved. So I do hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.